Let's have a look at the base training of the earth element. Earth, timing and direction, same time, same direction. So, working first with the arms, we want to understand the element through the body. Same time, same direction. Goes up together, goes down together. Goes sideways together, goes sideways together. Okay? Same time, same direction. One direction and the other direction. Aligning the body as best we can. Releasing the body as best we can. Any unnecessary tension. Feeling the body. Allowing the whole body to move together. So I'm not just moving my arms, but allow the movement to come through the whole body. Allow the feet to be involved. Allow the waist to be involved. Release. Distribute the force through the whole body so that it's not just wearing away our shoulders, for instance. Okay, so we've got clockwise and anti-clockwise. Earth. If we want to turn, let's first look at turning 180 degrees. So, if I'm moving like this, if I want to turn on the side where my hands are going down, I wait for my hands to get towards the top of the circle, and on the downswing, I start to turn. Allow it to come past my feet behind me. Okay. Same thing, I want to turn back. I'm going to go on the down, down. Down and across, down and across. So you want to be comfortable with turning on the downswing. Turning on the downswing. Practice that. When you can do that both ways, let's do on the upswing. Turning on the upswing. So as it passes the bottom of the circle, as it swings up, I turn, comes to the top of the circle, and I'm on the other side. Turning back, gets to the bottom of the circle, starts the upswing, I turn, we're back. Up and turn, up and turn. So now I can turn on the upswing, I can turn on the downswing. Down, up, down, up, down, or the other direction, down, up, down, up. Okay, so that lets you do the two sides. In front, the two planes facing forwards, facing backwards. Let's follow that. To move, so on the downswing, if I turn to the side, I can make circles here in front of me. So it is possible for some people to make bigger circles, or you can try to extend your whole arm. But for me, I want to be careful if I'm doing this. Watch out for your shoulders. Make sure you're not compromising your structure in some way or creating too much tension. For me, I prefer to just work a little bit smaller, a little bit gentler, forward circles in front of me. So here I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to turn 180 degrees. Start with, I'm going to come down. So if I'm going forwards, I'm going to turn on the downswing. Down, past my feet, up and backwards. Now I'm going backwards in front of me. Okay, I'm going to turn back the same direction I came. So if I'm going backwards, I've got to go up and turn. Now I'm back to forwards. Forwards, down, past the feet, up and backwards. Backwards, up, past the sky, down and forwards. Forwards, down, through the earth, up and backwards. Backwards, up, through the sky, down and forwards. Okay. so then I can turn from each side. I want to make sure that I practice the other side, so I'm going to go down, pass to the other side, up, turn back. You always want to make sure that you have all the pieces. Make sure that you can turn to the left, make sure you can turn to the right. Turning all the way around, forwards, backwards, forwards, backwards. Okay, so that connects, that means we can connect this wall plane spinning to wall plane spinning and wheel plane spinning to wheel plane spinning. We also want to look at connecting the two of them. Very similar. So if I want to just, instead of turn 180 degrees, I'm going to turn 90 degrees. So I'm going to go down, and now I'm spinning forwards. Down, and now I'm spinning backwards. Up, now I'm spinning backwards. Up, now I'm spinning, not backwards or forwards, anti-clockwise. Okay, so you want to learn that, make sure you can do that both directions. Again, same thing. If you're going to turn on where it's going up, on the side where the swing is up, you turn on the upswing. If I'm going backwards, I'm going to turn when it's going up. Here, I want to keep turning the same direction, so I'm going to turn when it's going down. Going forwards, I'm going to turn when it's going down. Okay. So that's using that same timing and direction. Same time, same direction, earth. Other versions of it are to turn 180 degrees. So I just don't stop in between. So if I want to turn on the downswing, I don't stop here, I just keep going, come back. So it goes down and then up. Down I turn, up I keep turning. Okay, or the opposite. Up I turn, down I keep turning. Up I turn, down I keep turning. Same time, same direction, earth. Make sure you're comfortable. Moving the body, moving the arms in the same timing, the same direction. Make sure you practice it both ways, both directions. Make sure you can move from each side to each side. Using the body allows you to go slow motion, so you can figure it out slowly if you need to. Allows you to stop, rewind. So in certain ways, it's easier. You don't have the momentum of the poi, and the momentum of the poi can also guide you. They will show you which way to go. We'll try them as well.